I have the capital, but I'm clueless about where to invest it wisely.
Sameer, you don't need to worry. You can go with Portfolio Management Service.
Portfolio management service? What is that? How does it work?
PMS is like having a personal chef for your investments. PMS is a professional financial service in which skilled, qualified and experienced fund managers and professionals manage your equity or debt portfolios to achieve specific objectives. Also, you get multiple benefits like personalization and customization, potentially higher risk-adjusted returns, active portfolio management and optimistic portfolio rebalancing.
Okay, understood. But isn't it similar to mutual funds?
See, both PMS and mutual funds involve professional managements of investments. PMS offers personalized portfolio management tailored to individual preferences. Not only this, while mutual fund works for benchmark plus returns through benchmark hugging portfolios, a PMS also works on generating significant alpha over the above benchmarks. A PMS generally runs a concentrated portfolio, therefore, the impact of market movements is higher. PMS can also invest in early stock ideas while mutual funds look at the standard universe of stocks. In a PMS, stocks or securities are held in investors' demat unlike a mutual fund.
Oh, nice. But how much is the ticket size to invest? Like I have more than 50 lakhs to invest.
What a coincidence! As per SEBI regulation, the minimum investment ticket size for investing in PMS is Rs 50 lakhs.
Alright. But what about the tax liability?
Well, the tax liability of a PMS investor is same as that of an investor who accessed the capital markets by himself. Under the PMS scheme, each transaction is considered as an independent trade and capital gains are applied to each transaction depending on the holding period of the stock. At present, the long-term capital gain tax is 12.5% while the short-term capital gain tax is 20% plus cess plus surcharge.
What is the fee structure of PMS?
I knew you were going to ask this. Well, fees can be fixed, variable or a combination of both. The variable fee is charged after achieving a pre-decided hurdle rate of return.
Oh, that's just great. I just need to invest and leave the heavy lifting for them.
Exactly. Now I have some work to do. We'll call you later. PMS, Personalized Wealth Management for Smart Investors.
The above content should be used for informative purposes only. Investments are subject to market risks. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.